Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we present a design review for 1950 square feet plot area. Classical design is the architectural form and vocabulary of this adobe. The residence is a harmonious reconciliation of the diverse set of design factors that are part of any architectural project. Elevation is of classical style with heavy carvings which develop the unique and enticing form. The intricate work in this beautiful adobe attracts one and all through its architectural features. The enclosed compound caters a parking area. Entrance to the residence has an arched opening, whereas the office area has a separate entry. Office interior is minimal yet classy with fine woodwork to provide a rich texture to it. Through a foyer, we enter a luxurious double-heighted formal living area. The central space caters the living area and the dining area that overlooks the green landscaped OTS. Kitchen is placed beside the formal living area, which further holds a utility space overlooking the landscaped OTS. Two bedrooms are placed at the back with toilet attached to it. Light and ventilation is thoroughly maintained through the OTS and the backyard. The interior was kept light with bright color work and fine woodworks. Staircase and lift is provided in the central hall for the vertical movement. First floor caters a large central family lounge that peaks up the formal area and the landscaped OTS. Four bedrooms with attached toilet are provided on this floor with a common toilet. The front two bedrooms open up to the linear set-out balcony that allows the people to view the spaces around. bedroom at the back also opens up to the small linear balcony. Careful use of diverse finishes from walls to floors, such as cement plastering, brickwork, woodwork, paint finishes, tiles, extends the visual effect of light-dark interplay into the tactile sphere. This offers the inhabitants a rich sensorial experience of the building. The second floor caters the leisure spaces that are connected to the central living area. A bar area and a pool table is placed in the large hall facing the back that opens up to the set-out balconies on either side. This creates an ideal space for the large gathering. A home theatre is placed at the front with optimum sitting spaces. Terrace is kept open with planters around it and free furnitures. Spiral staircase takes us to the terrace above. The terrace views a lush landscape and caters a sit-out and barbecue area, allows visual connection to the surroundings. The residence is an attempt to create a retrospective and speculative exploration of the dwelling, which is rich in craft and symbolic in significance. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.